Hi, this is Laura from Feeling Fabulous. And in terms of talking about lifestyle medicine, I wanted to talk about nutrition as medicine. It's part of the whole lifestyle medicine. So the body is a machine, and we are pretty much a well-oiled machine. It's an amazing thing that we've been able to accomplish with nutrition. And what we put in is exactly what we feel. What comes out of it is how we feel, which includes our emotions, fatigue, depression. So a lot of what we're eating is actually linked to our emotions. That's why the gut plays an important part of our brain. It is the second brain. So we think of our brain as the only place where we have emotions and that's where it's coming from. But actually, in reality, it's coming from our gut. What we eat and how well we exercise, our sleep hygiene, our emotional wellness, all of those things play a part of our health. I mean, we don't have to have a heart attack just from clogged arteries. We can have it from stress. Sleep has a huge aspect of why we feel the way we do, because we just don't have the energy. And then if you don't have the energy, you don't have the emotional resilience to actually continue moving forward and bouncing back from adversities, which we all have. Nutrition is the fuel that makes our body run. Good fuel makes our bodies run very efficiently. You're able to do way more than you expected. That would be the point about why plant-based nutrition is super important. It is a diet consisting of whole foods that haven't been processed or modified in any other way. That means you're eating whole beans, not in the form of a bean burger. When you eat a plant-based diet, it takes less than a week to actually see the results and feel the results, based on blood work and also how well you're sleeping, your emotional wellness, how you feel, which is emotional wellness. Issues that you had before, you don't have anymore. Like, could be constipation, you're eating more fiber, therefore you have less constipation. Or you actually feel like you don't have as much brain fog as you used to have. The fatigue goes away. Joint pain starts going away. You start having more energy to exercise. You have more motivation to actually exercise. And those are the things that you just start seeing little by little. Allergies, things that are inflammatory in nature, start to get better. You'll also notice asthma gets better. So, because all of these diseases are inflammatory based. So once you stop eating the things that cause the inflammation, then you actually get the results that you're looking for. Because unfortunately, dairy and meat, they have a lot of inflammatory markers, and it causes a lot of heart issues. And with heart issues comes high blood pressure and heart disease and heart attacks, strokes, and it's just a few of the things that actually it causes. If you're weaning yourself down, okay, I know that it's a hard thing for people to actually give up the things that they love, but that's really what got them there in the first place, because what they're eating is not as healthy as they think. The idea behind it is to start eating more legumes, which are beans, green leafy vegetables, fruits, other types of vegetables. I mean, the rainbow of vegetables are amazing. The earth is made of many different colors, and why we only eat one or two is beyond me, because we weren't meant to eat only just one or two things and only have a staple of 5 or 6 meals. The idea is to have a variety, because that variety is what creates the symbiotic relationship with the nutrients that we're getting. That's another tip.